Well, the way you slice it, there's only one way to save her. Goodbye, my friends.
What? Never forgive you for this! Now you will suffer my wrath! You are a prison boy! If you want your little brat returned safely, Kakarot, prove your Saiyan spirit. Eliminate 100 Earthlings and pile them here before I return in 1 day. And let me be very clear about this. If I come back and I don't see 100 corpses, I killed the kid. Go on!
Piccolo?
What are you doing here?
I was pursuing him. And as much as I'd like to kill the wretch myself, the sad truth is I have a better shot at that. If you were along for the ride.
Hold on. You mean team up with me? Why in the world would you ever do that?
Don't get the wrong idea. This would just be a temporary alliance, only for the sake of eradicating that alien off my planet. Once that purpose has been served, I'll keep my promise to crush you. And then I can get back to my plans of world domination. Whatever you say.
Goku, watch yourself and keep calm. We all know you can do this.
Let me come with you. The three of us together could whip that guy easy.
Sorry, Krillin, but you've already been brought back to life by Shenron once before. If anything were to happen to you now, you'd be gone for good.
Maybe so, but don't let yourself get killed, Goku, or we're all dead.
Master Roshi's right. Let us back you up if you need it.
Krillin, Master Roshi, you're the best. We better head out. Bulma, got the Dragon Radar all working?
You bet! I should have realized that was the 4-star Dragon Ball on Gohan's hat.
All right, it's all or nothing now.
Goku, wait!
Bulma, let's follow them.
Say what?
Oh, Kakarot. I thought you'd at least be smarter than this. But you have no idea how out of your league you are.
You know, believe it or not, battles aren't just about raw strength.
We'll see how long your strategicness keeps you alive. I'm sorry, brother. I was thinking about my offer and I've changed my mind. You'd probably just slow the rest of us down. And for betraying the Saiyan race, you will die! Say goodbye, Kakarot! What the? Power level 1,307?
Don't hurt my dad! Leave him alone!
Ah!
No, stop! Don't do it! Please, he's just a...
Just a child? Is that what you were going to say, Kakarot? Don't worry, brother. You'll see your son again. In the next world! What? You little...
Piccolo! Your attack! Do it now!
Are you insane?
Maybe, but it's the only way to beat you!
Sorry to keep you waiting. Are you ready?
Do it!
No! Stop!
Special beam cannon! On this planet, we have these things called the Dragon Balls. Gather all 7, and together they have the power to grant any wish, even if it's bringing someone dead back to life.
You can all go to hell. Still, I thank you for the information. Everything that has happened here today has been transmitted to my 2 Saiyan comrades deep in outer space. When they've learned that I've been killed, they'll come to avenge me.
The other 2 Saiyans! When will they arrive here? How long?
1 year. Just 1 short year.
Damn. 2 of them? Even stronger than him?
How sweet does that victory taste now? They're going to wipe you all out. They'll soon have you writhing in agony like the worms you are.
Wait a second!
How's it feel, seeing your little friend's corpses scattered all over? There was another one, but there's probably not a scrap of him left.
Piccolo's gone.
What, you gonna throw a fit, small fry? Go right ahead. That stupid look on your face just makes me want to kill you faster.
You'll pay for this! You'll both pay! You bastard!
何を
動けないサイヤ人など必要ない。
ひね
ベジ
なんてやつだ。二人とも今すぐカメハウスに来。
I don't think it's safe back at the Kame house. Hot take? I don't think so.
だってあいつはすごすぎるんだよ。かえって悟空が気を使って邪魔になるだけなんだ。すまねえな、あいつの強さ。はい。
Here we go. The legendary Goku versus Vegeta. And here's a pre-render. You see what I mean? Like, there's a downgrade there, and it's very noticeable.
場所を変えっぞ。
好きにしろ。
Let's go someplace else. Rocky Field.
よし、この辺りなら人も動物。
なるほど。ここを貴様の墓場に選ん。喜ぶがいい。サイヤ人は生まれてその時の数値が低い要するに。
You know this. You know this. The low-class warriors, the elites. Wow, with enough hard work, even a low-class warrior can beat the elite.
それによ、落ちこぼれだって必死で努力すりゃ。
Good jokes. He's got jokes. Hello, pre-rendered cutscene. So this is after the beam clash. We didn't have a beam clash. We didn't have that moment. But Vegeta has a secret. I wonder what that secret is, guys.
味気てんま。
なんだありゃ。
尻尾をなくしてしまったことを
なんだ。お父さんの気が。僕も。
Down, baby. 29 minutes and 20 seconds.
気玉出すために精神集中する暇もねえ。 10秒だけでいいん
I
だ
just need 10 seconds to concentrate. I just need 10 seconds. It's fine. We have 10 seconds. We have more than 10 seconds. Shoutouts to Bandai. They let me capture this final cutscene for you guys, even though it went over the 30 minutes. We get to watch the end of the Saiyan Saga together here. Yes, Solar Flare. I wish you told me that before the fight, but yes, Solar Flare makes a lot of sense. You're gonna go quiet for the rest of this cutscene, but just so you know, this is another one of those where you can switch between the cinematic camera and the first-person view. So if you see some switching, that is what's happening.
どこに行きやがった。見つかった。間に合ってくれ。できた。地球中の元気が集まった。よし。
これで終わりだカカロット。たとえまた生き返ったとしても、その時にはもうこの星はない。死ね。
イタチの最後べってやつだ。これでオーラにゃ鼻くそをほじる力も残っちゃねえや。好きにしろ。
カカロット、貴様、この俺の顔に傷を。握りつぶしてやら。せいぜい苦しんで死ね。今のでずいぶん骨が折れたようだな。痛いか？何か嫌がるな。どこだ？
こっちだ。お父さんを離せ。
All right, the cutscene kind of breaks there as I go back to first-person view. Just timed it poorly, I guess. But this is it. This is the end of the Saiyan Saga. Have the Spirit Bomb, Krillin, throw it at Vegeta.
出た。元気玉だ。やったな。何やっとんだきゃバカ野郎。早くそれやってまい。
Goddamn Yajirobe.
あのバカ。くそったね。はあ。羽消せ。ご飯。
I see you have returned, dear Saiyans.
Thanks to you, my power will only grow to greater heights. Goku and the others are back, as expected.
So, the curtain rises,
and our Act 3 begin. Our master Goesu and the other Kais were foolish enough to believe mortals could be entrusted. You, malefactors, have developed time travel.
Well, it appears...
No matter. I'm
one of the many...
Fine. What?
Over here, boy. Let's get back to training. Wipe that smile off your face! Stopping black! Is that your only goal? You think it ends there? Think about the next threat. In a year, or 5, or 10. Or think about your pride. If Saiyan blood flows in your veins. If you are my son, as you claim, then I won't tolerate you losing to anything!
I hear you, and I will get stronger. Stronger than Black, and stronger than you.
There's no need for impatience. It's your turn now.
Let's finish them off nice and slowly.
Trunks?
You can leave Black to me.
Use your head. He's too much for you.
I can do it, you'll see. Even if I have to pay the ultimate price.
Thus begins a new world.
Father! Goku!
So, another lamb wishes to be slaughtered.
Trunks, why did you...
Father! Zamasu! I'll make you pay for this! May my strength be a shield for this world and for all of us mortals! I'm putting all of our hope into this one blast! Gallic God!
Fools have already lost!
give up! They're counting on me!
That's right! You show him, son!
Father!
Thomas, listen well. Don't underestimate mortals. Especially not Saiyans! Eat this! Gallic God!
No matter how many of you mortals band together, you cannot prevail against the power of my light!
Come on, Trump! Give it all you've got!
Right! This is the power of mortals!
I've had enough of you impudent mortals! Away with you!
Troops!
Father!
Ready for this? For more runs? Yes, I can! I am everlasting! How will you escape my justice? Begging for help from the rest of your pathetic mortal herd? Or this time will you try the future? How will you compensate for your weakness now?
Compared to gods, of course we're weak. But you can never make me ashamed of that. Because when mortals do join forces, that's when we can do anything. Because believing in our fellow man and helping each other to survive, that's what redeems us. That's what makes us who we are. Makes us worthy. That's what gives us our real power! What is that? Energy. It's flowing in from every living thing in this world. I can feel it. Keep it coming, you guys! Share your power with me!
I don't care how much energy you collect. It will never compete with a god!
Here we go, everyone! We'll defeat Zamasu!
No! You're a mere mortal!
It's not about gods and mortals! You don't believe in anything but yourself! And we won't let you win!
I don't understand how it can be this strong! It feels chaotic! So many energies melded together!
This is the power of mortals fighting for each other! The power of believing in something bigger than just you!
But how? It can't be!
Are you sure you can't stay a little longer, honey?
Don't start getting sentimental.
I'm just sad to see him go so soon. Besides, I imagine you might want to train with him some more, right?
Mom. Father. Maybe she's right. If I were to train with Father again, I could become stronger than I've ever been. Father, perhaps you could spar with me just one more time?
What for?
Because I have to be able to protect my world from any threat it could ever face. I need to.
No matter what it takes.
I'll endure any training you throw at me, no matter how brutal.
Then you're gonna stay with us after all. Oh, Trunks, I'm so happy I could cry.
As long as it's not an inconvenience.
Of course not. No matter the timeline, this place is your home and you're always welcome here.
Thanks, Mom. I promise, I'll become stronger and stronger.
みんな、ワリー、オラに元気をあげてくれ。木を集めるに時間がかかりすぎる。
待ってやる。お前にとって特別な技なんだろう。全力で来い。レン、オラに時間を与えたことを後悔すんなよ。これがオラたち第七宇宙の元気玉だ。嘘だろ。うわ
Flying into a story, but we gotta start from the beginning. Zarbon, Dodoria, Frieza First Form, they're all here. All of your favorites. And we get a little cutscene with some voice acting. Eventually, voice acting. The voices are gonna be in Japanese for this story. It's something that the game was already preset like this, so I didn't bother changing. That said, the game also has English dub if you prefer that, and we're gonna quickly skip through the rest of these slideshows, which cuts next one, which should be Goku arriving. What? Who's that? That's right. It is Goku. Now, there are a lot of different types of cutscenes, and some of this is voice acted, some of this is not. Yeah, it reminds Frieza of Bardock. But I did feel like the story modes are not built the same, like the Super Saiyan moment. But basically, I didn't defeat all of these characters in the time period that the game gave me. I was supposed to defeat them all much faster, and I think a lot of battles in story mode have this condition. Like, they're gonna end and the story's gonna move forward if you don't die, but also if you don't finish those characters off, you're not gonna get the true ending or satisfy all of its conditions, I guess. And that's it, yeah.
I thought you'd at least be smarter than this. But you have no idea how out of your league you are.
Let's skip the pleasantries. We're here to take you down. Simple as that.
I'm sorry, brother. I was thinking about my offer and I've changed my mind. You'd probably just slow the rest of us down. And for betraying the Saiyan race, you will die!
I don't think he's got the will to fight anymore. Someone who'd want to kill all my friends and family is no brother of mine! Now you better get the hell off this planet and never come back here again! Gohan, you're gonna be okay.
You're the poorest excuse for a Saiyan that I've ever seen. Now I'll teach you how a real warrior should act.
Say your prayers.
What is he?
The hell?
Special beam cannon!
Bastard! Damn it! Beaten by a filthy maggot!
You saved my life, Piccolo. If you hadn't made a perfect shot, I'd be lying on the ground with him.
Well, truth be told, I'd rather you both be dead and on the ground. But your friends would just revive you with the Dragon Balls shortly after anyway.
The Dragon Balls?
Yeah. All 7 combined have the power to grant any wish, even if it's bringing someone dead back to life.
You can all go to hell. Still, I thank you for the information. Everything that has happened here today has been transmitted to my 2 Saiyan comrades deep in outer space. When they've learned that I've been killed, they'll come to avenge me.
Wait! The other 2 Saiyans! When are they gonna get here?
1 year. Just 1 short year.
Damn. 2 of them? Even stronger than him?
How sweet does that victory taste now? They're going to wipe you all out. They'll soon have you writhing in agony like the worms you are.